Okay students, you have 15 minutes to write the rough draft of the storytelling competition speech. It's not a proper speech. Try and improvise and give it to me tomorrow. Hey, what's up? Ma'am said that my speech is not proper and I have to improvise it. I don't know how to do it. Oh, no biggie. Did you download the Confident Public Speaker Kit by Humanity Wonders? No, what's that? It's a 10-page free kit which can help you to create your speech and you can eventually become a confident public speaker by 5 fun steps. And the best part is that you can download and print it just at your home in just 5 minutes without any hesitation. Wow, this looks interesting. I think it's going to give me a lot of clarity. Good morning. Do you have your improvised speech ready? Yes, ma'am. Here it is. Oh wow, it's great. Your mom helped you, didn't she? Oh no, actually a 10-page powerful kit by Humanity Wonders helped you to create this wonderful speech and become a confident public